This is Miss Bray, and this is a screencast for the 8th grade social studies classes on how to find an image on Google Images and how to create a citation for that image on NoodleTools for their Bill of Rights project. So we're going to start off at the SIR's topic page, at the groups page, and I'm going to select my topic, which is censorship right here. So I'm just going to click on that right there. Once I've clicked on my topic page, I'm going to click on my essential question, which up here is, should governments block access to sites deemed inappropriate? And then I'm going to choose my 2 articles, pro and con, and I'm going to take a look at those articles. Once you open the article, you need to pay attention to the subject terms, which might be at the bottom right here of the abstract of the or summary of the article here, or on the right side of the page. I haven't opened the article page on this slide, but that's where you're going to find these subject terms. These are going to be important when we're looking for images. Before I even start looking for my images, I want to make sure that I have a list of search terms or phrases that I can look up images with that have to do with my topic and my articles. So my topic again was internet censorship, and my essential question was, should governments block access to sites deemed inappropriate? I found an article, and in the article they discussed a public library in Florida that was letting patrons or people that were visiting or use the library, letting them view pornography on the library computers. So one of the questions I took from the article was, how should public libraries balance access to information with keeping potentially inappropriate material away from children? So on that article, there were search terms on the bottom of the summary, and I just copied and pasted those search terms so that I can look up these words when I'm looking for pictures that I can use in my Google presentation. And these are the search terms right here. The next step is to go to open a new tab and to go to images.google.com. And then in the search bar, I'm going to type in my search term in quotations. And my search term here is internet censorship. And then I'm just going to hit the magnifying glass. Okay, once we're on the Google Images page, we want to click on Search Tools, and then we want to select Labeled for Reuse with Modification, because we only want to use the pictures or images or cartoons that the creators have allowed us to use, because we're going to reuse them in our Google presentations, and we might change them a little bit, and we're going to use them for educational purposes. Once we've found an image that we want to use, we want to click on that image to make the image bigger, and then we want to click on Visit Page so we can get more information about the image that we can use or that we'll use when we're making the citation for NoodleTools. Okay, from the page that the image resides on, I can see the author's name right here, and I can see when the picture was taken so that I can put this information into the citation. Okay, next thing that you're going to do is open another tab, and you're going to log on to NoodleTools, and you're going to open your Bill of Rights project. Okay, on the top of the page, we need to click on Bibliography so that we can start making a citation for the image. We're going to select here in the options bar, photo or image, and then we're going to click on Create Citation. We're just going to click on Continue on the next screen. Finally, you're going to complete all the information about your photo or image here. I want to remind you that you will need to type in the name of the website that you got the photo or image from. In my case, in the example I used, it was Flickr. You also need to complete the publisher of the site, which is usually the company or organization that keeps the site running. And don't forget to click on Submit at the bottom or top of the page. And you're going to need to do a citation for all of your images or cartoons that you use for your project. Good luck!